What would you do if your car broke down tomorrow? Or your job vanished overnight? If the answer is panic, you're not alone. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build a real emergency fund from zero, without needing a second job or skipping groceries. Welcome to Normal People Finance, the BS-free money channel that actually respects your time and your paycheck. No gurus, no just skip your latte advice, just clear, honest strategies to get you in control of your money. If that sounds good, hit like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Most people think of savings as extra, but an emergency fund? That's your financial airbag. It's not for vacations or new clothes. It's for the stuff life throws at you when you're already stressed. Your fridge dies. Your kid breaks an arm. You get laid off. And here's the thing. 63% of Americans still wouldn't be able to cover a $500 surprise expense without going into debt. Without an emergency fund, you're always one disaster away from credit cards, loans, or worse. So this isn't about saving, it's about safety. Let's bust a myth. You don't need 6 months of expenses overnight. Here's a real-world target plan. Level 1, $500. Covers most urgent car, medical, or bill emergencies. Level 2, $1,000 to $2,000. Adds breathing room and reduces credit card panic. Level 3, 1 to 3 months of expenses. For job loss, serious illness, or moving, you work your way up. If you're starting from $0, the first $500 is your mission. Why? Because it turns panic into a problem you can solve. And once that's done, you've got momentum. Step 1. Open a dedicated emergency-only savings account. Online high-yield savings accounts are perfect and free. They make it just annoying enough to access the money that you don't touch it accidentally. Step 2. Name your target. Literally name the account My Emergency Fund, $500 goal. It sounds cheesy, but behavioral science shows that naming your goals boosts success. Step 3. Automate tiny transfers. Can't save $100 at once? Cool, try $10 every time you get paid, or $2 a day. Use auto transfer tools so you never see the money leave. Step 4. Add lump sums like a ninja. Birthday cash? Tax refund? Sold something on Facebook Marketplace? Siphon off a piece, 20%, 50%, or all, straight to the fund. Step 5. Slash and redirect one habit. Instead of nuking your whole lifestyle, just pick one change. Bring lunch 2 times a week? That's $10 to $20 a week. Cancel a deadweight subscription? Boom, $15 a month. Redirect it with intention. Do not keep it in your checking account. That's where it goes to mysteriously disappear. Instead, use a high-yield savings account. Many now pay over 4%. Bonus points if it's at a separate bank or app you don't check daily. You're aiming for accessibility in 1 to 2 days, not instant withdrawal at Target. Let's be honest, sometimes $10 feels like too much. If you're in survival mode, here's your adjusted plan. Start with a $1 buffer. Just build the habit. Even pennies count. Try a no-spend weekend challenge. Save whatever you don't spend. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Upside. Any earnings go straight to the fund. Look at side hustle microtasks, surveys, task apps, odd gigs. It won't make you rich, but it can start the engine. This isn't about shame, it's about momentum. And flipping the story in your head from I can't to I am. Key takeaways. An emergency fund is your financial airbag, not a luxury. Start with a micro goal. $500 is a game changer. Automate savings, redirect small habits, and use windfalls smartly. Keep your fund in a high-yield savings account, not your checking. Even if you're broke, you can still build it. $1 at a time. You don't need a 6-figure income to build financial safety. You just need a plan and a little grit. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And next, I'll show you how credit cards actually work. and how to beat the system.